Hey, it's Monday, December 27th, and it's day 165 of my YouTube orbit. It has been let me see, 11, yep, 12 hours now. So the blizzard, and I have one of those jobs that you just have to get to, one way or the other. And my husband wouldn't let me drive. We had a little fight about that. So he drove me in, and he's sick. And we get there, and it was so bad. A 20-minute drive took an hour. And so he just figured he might as well just stay instead of going all the way home and then coming back in the morning, because it's still really blowing right now. It stopped snowing, but the wind is really blowing. So he stayed up all night, and then when we went to leave, the car was stuck, and we were waiting for the plows to come. So we left about an hour and 45 minutes after I got off work. So that was fun, and he was really scaring me because he's sick, and he was not being able to catch his breath, and he actually was getting a little worried he might be having a heart attack. But right now he's resting on the couch, and when we got home we had to park a couple blocks away, actually a block and a half away, because our road was not plowed still. So I think I'm going to hold a contest, and the contest is for people to submit me banners for my channel, and I have to come up with a prize, but more about that at another date. So I hope you have a great day, and as always, peace.